Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Antara. Today I am going to share some of my favorite kitchen gadgets which I use every day or almost every day. Also, I am going to share some easy or interesting recipes which I make almost every day or every week using these gadgets, so that my life gets a little bit easier by using these gadgets every day. So I am going to share some easy recipes or tricks which I use very often in my kitchen. So I am going to share these kind of tips and tricks which I use almost every day in my life. So your life will be a little bit easier if you try these tips. Also, if you are newly married or just moving out from your parents' house, you should stay tuned for this video because I am going to share some tips and tricks that how to use these gadgets wisely so that your life will be very easier and you can concentrate on your other jobs. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First, I am going to talk about, of course, microwave, which I use every day at least 10 times. So I should start with that. I have two microwaves. One is for everyday usage and one is for backup. Because without microwave I can't stay any single day. So I have two microwaves. This is the number one microwave which I use every day, and another one microwave is in our storage. I don't use my microwave only to reheat the food. I use my microwave for various purposes as well. Here I am going to share some of them so that you will get some ideas. Like here I am making red lentil soup जो मसूर की दाल है. I have just added salt and turmeric powder and water. If you want, you can add some frozen veggies also in it, and I have added 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dal is completely ready. To add some flavor in it, I have taken some chopped onions, salt and a little bit mustard oil. Then mix it well and put it in microwave for 1.5 minutes. Then mix it with boiled red lentil. So without using any heavy pots and pans, lentil soup will be ready in microwave. And this is my daughter's favorite recipe, chocolate mug cake, which she makes by herself. She doesn't take any kind of help from me. And look how beautiful and how delicious it is. After that, this blender which I use almost every day to make smoothie or any kind of batter like dosa batter, idli batter. So it's very useful. It's very heavy and so powerful. Sometimes I add some ice cubes. My daughter likes iced coffee, so I use ice cubes. I use this one. After that, this is the Magic Bullet mixer grinder that I use every day to make paste from ginger garlic or anything like poppy seeds or mustard seeds. In everyday cooking, I use this one. This Magic Bullet mixer grinder is the only one product which I can use in my Indian cooking. I have tried many things, many products, but finally I have settled down on this product because this is the best. This is one of my most favorite kitchen gadgets. I use it every day or every other day. Though it's difficult a little bit to clean inside the waffle maker, but it doesn't matter to me because whatever I make in this waffle maker, it turns out very good, very delicious, and it saves a lot of time. I generally clean it with vinegar. When this waffle maker almost cool down, around 80% cool down after making the food, I spray it with vinegar, and then after a couple of minutes. I wipe it out with paper towel. Sometimes I use soap and vinegar all together. You can see how much I love waffle maker that I have 2 waffle makers. Actually, there is a problem. I have gluten allergy, so I can't eat any kind of flour or any kind of things which has gluten in it. So I generally keep one waffle maker for me, so I make lots of gluten-free recipes in it, and other waffle maker for them where I make with gluten recipes like actual waffle. Next is toaster oven. It is very important gadget in our household because we use it every day couple of times. It's very handy and Rimil knows how to operate it, so she makes food for her. She can bake anything, any frozen food or any food which I already made it and kept it in freezer, so she can take it out and heat it up and then eat it. If I am outside for some reason, so she can eat by herself by using this toaster oven. She makes this kind of recipes. This is bread pizza. She made it by herself using this toaster oven. Next is this baby cupcake maker, which is also very favorite of mine. I like it very much. It's a very versatile gadget. I make sweet, savory, breakfast, lunch, dinner, lots of different kind of recipes. I have already shared some of them in my other videos. You can check it out. I'll put the link in the description box. This is a slow cooker, very small 1.5 quart slow cooker. I use it to make soup, chicken soup, or to boil chickpeas, something like that. And also I frequently use it to make the healthy drink which I already shared in my other video. This is ceramic slow cooker. Next is Instapot, which is also very favorite of mine. I use it very often. I have shared already lots of recipes in my other videos. Though this Instapot itself is very heavy, but only thing I need to wash after cooking this steel pot, so it's okay for me. It's very versatile gadget for fast cooking, for slow cooking, everything turns out perfect. This is the drink we are drinking from last couple of months to fight the virus. This is coffee grinder. I use it to grind my spices. I make my own garam masala at home, so I use this coffee grinder. It's perfect for grinding spices. Also, I use it to crush any kind of nuts or roasted nuts. Next is this food chopper. I use it to chop any kind of vegetables, and sometimes I use it to mince chicken also. This is electric one. I had one manual chopper, but that is broken now. I have to buy new one. These collard greens are very tough. It takes too much time to cook. That's why I chop it in this chopper and then cook it, so it takes less time. I make guacamole, pesto, chutneys, and many more. Next is this cast iron pan, which I use every day. I have 3 cast iron pans in 3 different sizes. We all like stir fry, so I make stir fry a lot. Sometimes I grill chicken in couple of batches, then I store it in refrigerator, and then next day or next to next day I just throw them in salad and then have a meal. It's my steamer. I like to steam my vegetables. If you are too busy or staying in dorm room, this is perfect for you. You can steam your vegetables in one day, then keep it in the refrigerator, and after coming back from work or school, you can take it out and then have dinner. If you don't have any stove top, you can buy one portable induction oven, which is very inexpensive but very useful. Within 10 minutes, vegetables are ready to eat. You can sprinkle some salt, pepper and some lemon juice on it. With these vegetables, just add some grilled chicken and it's a complete meal. I keep these boiled vegetables in my refrigerator, and whenever it's needed, I make a quick sandwich with them. To add some extra flavor, I have taken some chopped onions, salt and oil. Then I have put them in microwave for 1 minute. Then I have mashed them all together. I have added 1 egg also. You can add some grilled chopped chicken also with this. Now on a toasted bread, I have taken 1 slice of chicken breast. You can add a slice of cheese also here, but I have not added today because my daughter told me to make on this way, so I am making it for her. It's a very healthy and a quick meal which I make very often. After this, I should mention about this oven which I use almost every day. I roast vegetables, chicken, dessert items, cake, many more. We all know that how important to keep a blender in our house. Cake, desserts, whipped cream, for anything we use this blender. This sandwich grill we don't use much, but whenever we like to have some paninis or grilled cheese sandwiches, we use it. It's very convenient. I can make 2 sandwiches at a time, so it's very handy. It's very easy to clean too. If you are staying in dorm room or staying in a very small apartment, it's a perfect gadget for you. In my opinion, this egg cooker is the most convenient and very versatile kitchen gadget ever. It's very small, very lightweight, and whenever we go somewhere for vacation, we take it with us. It's very handy. I use it to make different types of food also. It boils egg very quickly. It doesn't have lots of attachments, so it's very easy to clean also. It has automatic timer, so after 6 minutes it goes off automatically. So if I am doing something else or even away from the kitchen, I don't have to worry. It will turn off automatically. Here I am making idli using this egg cooker. Within 6 minutes, idli is ready to eat. I always try new recipes in this egg cooker. And finally, this is my most favorite kitchen gadget so far. This is air fryer. It's a little bit expensive gadget, but I like it very much. Without feeling any guilt, I can have any kind of fried food which I like. Fried chicken, french fries, potato wedges, pakoras, everything I make using air fryer, it turns out very delicious. I have already shared couple of recipes in my other videos. You can check them out. in my opinion, it was the best decision or best investment on this air fryer. Hope you got some ideas from my recipes or some tips that how I use my gadgets. This video will help you to get more organized in your life, and your life will be easier after using these gadgets. These are not very expensive gadgets but really helpful for everyday usage, so life gets easier. Hope my video will help you a little bit. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.